What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and I am back, and I have some awesome stuff to show you guys today. It is the FPV LUX bag for July. This is the unboxing. I actually started picking these things up past couple of months. This is actually a shirt from a couple months ago that I did. And if you don't already know what this is like a subscription box, kind of like your FPV crate or your quad box would have been, but without all like the boost items. So you get like the cool, like the t-shirts, and you get like maybe like a cool part. They also kind of like have this little like giveaway thing. So like some random subscribers or whatnot will actually get some like cool parts and or like gift cards or whatever to certain retailers, whatever they pretty much were able to source the month and be able to give it away to their lucky subscribers. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this July one. I picked this up. It just got to my door actually today. It's August 2nd, so I believe it took about 4 or 5 days, I believe, to ship to me. So not too bad. It says it comes from California. So if you're closer to California, you probably get them probably a lot faster than I do. But let's go ahead and unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. Exactly what we got here. Okay. So I'll start off with the shirt that it came with. This is the shirt right here. Pyro drone. What's it say in the front? It says, for racers. Okay, cool. By racers. Pretty cool. Pretty neat shirt. They have these like little custom shirts. So I like the shirts. Like I said, this was one from a couple months ago, and the last month was a TBS one, which I really, really liked. It was like a red, white, and blue kind of July type of theme, so it was cool. Looks like I got, let's see here, FPV LUX. Looks like a little sticker, little media thing here. I also got, thank you for being a part of FPV LUX, 5% off, pyrodrone.com, code PYROLUX. So I guess if you want to use that code, I don't know. There you go. And then, looks like we got a pyro drone. It's like radio strap or whatever you want to use it for. Right here, I'll take it out of the package so you guys can see. Just says send it on it all around. Just like that. Cool, huh? And we also got some other goodies in here. Let's see. Got a little keychain, says Pyro Drone. Cool. And we got some 6337 solder. You can always use that when you're building drones and whatnot. Yeah, so this is the unboxing for the FPV LUX. Let me know what you thought down in the comment section down below. And this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.